Introduction to Matplotlib and Plotly libraries. In this video we will cover Introduction, Installation, Matplotlib Basics, Line and Scatter Plots, Plotly Basics. Matplotlib and Plotly are two popular libraries for data visualization in Python. Matplotlib is a 2D plotting library that can create static visualizations, while Plotly can create both static and interactive visualizations. Matplotlib is a standard library in the data science ecosystem and is used extensively for data visualization. Plotly, on the other hand, is a newer library and has gained popularity in recent years due to its ability to create interactive visualizations. Both Matplotlib and Plotly have their unique strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of library depends on the specific needs of the data analysis or visualization task at hand. While Matplotlib is more established and provides a wider range of basic plots, Plotly's interactive visualizations can be more effective in certain scenarios. Therefore, it is essential for data scientists and analysts to have a good understanding of both libraries to be able to choose the most appropriate one for the task at hand. To install Matplotlib and Plotly, you can use pip, which is a package manager for Python. To install Matplotlib, you can use the following command: pip install matplotlib. To install Plotly, you can use the following command: pip install Plotly. You can also install these libraries using Anaconda or any other Python distribution you may be using. Matplotlib can create many types of plots, including line plots, scatter plots, bar plots, histograms, and more. To create a plot with Matplotlib, you typically create a figure object and one or more axes objects. The figure object represents the entire figure or window that you're creating, while the axes objects represent the individual plots within the figure. To customize a plot, you can use various methods and properties of the axes objects. Line plots are a good choice for visualizing trends over time or other continuous variables. To create a line plot in Matplotlib, you can use the plot function. You can pass in two arrays, one for the x-axis values and one for the y-axis values. Matplotlib will then connect the data points with lines. You can customize the line style, color, and other properties using various parameters of the plot function. Scatter plots are a good choice for visualizing the relationship between two continuous variables. To create a scatter plot in Matplotlib, you can use the scatter function. You can pass in two arrays, one for the x-axis values and one for the y-axis values. Matplotlib will then plot each data point as a point on the plot. You can customize the marker style, color, size, and other properties using various parameters of the scatter function. Plotly can create many types of interactive visualizations, including line plots, scatter plots, bar plots, histograms, and more. Plotly visualizations can be embedded in web pages, Jupyter notebooks, and other applications. Plotly provides a wide range of customization options, and users can interact with the visualization by zooming, panning, and hovering over data points to see more information. Plotly line plots can be interactive, allowing users to zoom in, pan, and hover over data points to see more information. To create a line plot in Plotly, you can use the Go scatter. Have fun exploring the Matplotlib and Plotly libraries.